Y'all, I'm in my pajamas and I got bed hair, but I don't care. I was 172 this morning. 172 pounds. I am 4 pounds. 4 pounds away from my goal. 4 pounds. We're so close. Ah! Look, 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 look. 4 pounds away. So to the food. I'm still sickly and medicine head, but I've got 6 ounces of 80-20 meat and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef, and that's what I'm having right now. It's 9:47. Let me show you what came in. Trying to get my act together and be an adult at least a little bit. You know, I am 50. So I put my garlic herb seasoning in here. I got this little thing that came in on Amazon. And this is the spicy Danos mixed with Slap Your Mama. And then this one is that Everything Bagel seasoning. I think I spelled bagel wrong, but that's all right. I put the adobo in here. Like all the things that I use the most. The smoked paprika. Greek seasoning. And then that dehydrated garlic. So it'll be like this, all right in here. And then I'll have a lid on it. And it'll look a lot nicer sitting there on my counter than all those seasonings everywhere. I did not put salt in there, and I did not put pepper in there. So I'll put these away. But yeah, so that looks a lot nicer than the other thing. Okay, bye. Yeah, I got that for the seasonings. It's got clear cover. I pulled this out. I could put my Sleepy Time tea inside there. Put the lid so I know what's inside of it. And then this I had originally gotten for bacon. It's supposed to have a little strainer thing. But instead I'll use it for the dog treats because they eat more treats than I eat bacon. So I could put some dog treats in there. Now I just need one more for these kind of dog treats. I have 2 different kinds because those are quick and not rawhide. And these have rawhide, so I want to be able to watch them if they have rawhide. So now I need to find something to put those in that's nice and yeah, cleaning things up. Except there's no help with those. But the rest of that's looking nicer. Hey, so I took those 2 jicama and I cut them up into chunks. And I sprayed them with some, sprayed them with some avocado oil and put some of that garlic and herbs seasoning on them. And got them in the oven at 360. So when they're done, I will add them to the week. Supper is 7 ounces of pork chop and then 200 grams of jicama that I made last weekend or weekend before, whenever I made it. So it's that skillet fried jicama. So that's what I'm going to be eating right there. That'll be my supper. Have a good night, guys. Here's my macros for the day. All right, bye.